Hiya, so in this video I'm showing you a full set of baby boomers. It's nice to do a full set actually because I feel like all I ever do is infills. I don't often do full sets, so it's just constantly infills, so it's nice to get a couple of full sets on my channel. So I did my normal prep work, which is pushing back her cuticles, removing any dead skin off her nails, filing her nails, removing the surface shine, and then I apply my CJ, I keep calling them CJ, but it's CJP's tips, sized and shaped, and then I applied my dehydrator and my primer, and my alcohol spray just before that. So now what I do first, on all 10 fingers, I apply my white first. So I apply it, a lot of people say I do my white quite far up, but the reason for that is so that they can, how can I describe it? So when they come back for their infill and they still want baby boomers, the white is there for longer. Do you know what I mean? So I can buff the pink away a little bit and reveal a little bit more of the white, and do you know what I mean? So every time they come back for a fill, the white's going to take a long time for it to grow out. I'm hoping that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, I'm sorry, but I know what I mean. So I apply that to half of the nail and I drag that all the way down to the tip, and then I do that on all 10 fingers. So I let you watch and then I'll come back. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've kept this in real time for you guys, because I know you love that. So I've kept this in real time with the white, and then also with applying my pink. Well, it's peach today, I think, but anyway. So then once they're all set, I'll then go in with my cover pink, but I'm using CJP's peach sorbet. So I apply that to, I do this in 2 beads. So I apply the first bead, I do that nice and thick because I like that to be my strength. And I add that in the middle of the nail, and then I'll just drag that down, blending that into the white. Keeping my sides nice and clean and straight so that when we go to filing we don't have a lot to do. So then when I go onto my cuticle bead, you pick up a small bead a small bead, drain out the back of your brush, and then apply that to the cuticle area. Get right behind that bead and just make sure you're not flooding any of the cuticle, and just brush that down into that bead that you did before. Make sure that when you apply your first bead, it's kind of blended a little bit at the tip, so you don't get no shadowing or lines, or you kind of get, I've done it thousands of times, so I put my hand up to that. So I always try and make sure that that doesn't happen. I don't think I did it in this set. But yeah, I'll let you watch this in real time. So once that's all set, I then come in with my files and just file the edges. I don't do much now. I then come in with my drill and I file the bulk down and make sure my cuticle area is nice and flush. So if you've got anything raised, you know, it's more likely to lift and stuff will get under there and it will lift even more and then it'll pop off. So I do my filing on all the nails. I'm using the Saeyang K35 drill as per usual, and I file over all her nails and then I go back with my hand file and shape. I don't think I left that in the clip. Again, this is in real time, so this is how fast I work when I'm filing. I never have my drill on higher than 10. I don't think it needs to be higher than 10. If you've got a good cuticle bit, if you've got a good drill bit, then you really don't need to have it that high. But that's my opinion anyway. So then that's me buffing her nails and I ask her to go and wash her hands. So here I've just applied some fine holographic silver glitter to top coat and I'm just blending that down with, I'm using CJP's size 2 brush. So and then she wanted, I just wanted that as the background, and then she wanted Glitter Planet's, I think it's called Bon Bon. So we applied that like a gradual glitter to her nails. So I'll let you watch. Then I cure that glitter in place and then I apply my top gloss, which is, I'm using Kiara Sky's top coat today, and I apply that to all her nails and cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I then apply cuticle oil and that is the set complete today. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.